Here are 5 ideas to earn online for interior designers. 3 and 4 are special. At the end, I will tell you the procedure to get such income ideas for yourself. Can you answer the short question in the pinned comment after watching? Do you think your friends, with whom you share the video, can outscore you? 1. Online interior design courses. Step 1. Identify your niche. Determine the specific area of interior design you excel in or are passionate about, such as residential, commercial, sustainable design, or historic preservation. Step 2. Plan your course. Outline the content for your online interior design course, including video lessons, assignments, and resources. Consider the skill level you want to cater to, such as beginners or advanced designers. Step 3. Choose an e-learning platform. Select an e-learning platform like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host your courses. Create course outlines and set prices for enrollment. Step 4. Create video lessons. Record high-quality video lessons demonstrating interior design concepts, principles, and techniques. Edit the videos to enhance clarity and provide supplementary materials. Step 5. Publish and promote your courses. Upload your course materials, set up payment options, and publish your courses on the chosen e-learning platform. Promote your courses through social media, interior design forums, and email marketing. Step 6. Engage with students. Interact with your students by answering questions, providing feedback on their assignments, and fostering a supportive online learning community. 2. Sell interior design templates and resources. Step 1. Create valuable resources. Develop interior design templates, such as mood boards, floor plans, or 3D models, that can save time for other designers. Additionally, design resources like furniture layouts, color palettes, or design specifications can be valuable. Step 2. Set up an online store. Create an online store on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website to showcase and sell your design templates and resources. Step 3. List and describe resources. Create product listings for your design templates and resources, providing detailed descriptions, sample images, pricing, and any customization options if applicable. Step 4. Promote your resources. Promote your design resources through social media, interior design communities, and email newsletters. Highlight their usability and time-saving benefits for fellow designers. Step 5. Provide customer support. Offer support to assist buyers with any issues or inquiries related to your design resources. 3. Offer virtual interior design consultations. Step 1. Define your consultation services. Determine the scope and services you'll offer during virtual consultations. These could include room design advice, color consultations, furniture recommendations, or design problem solving. Step 2. Set up online scheduling. Use scheduling tools like Calendly or Acuity scheduling to allow clients to book virtual design consultations at their convenience. Step 3. Set pricing. Establish pricing for your consultation services and consider offering different packages based on the complexity and duration of the consultation. Step 4. Offer virtual consultations. Conduct virtual consultations using video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype. During the consultation, provide advice, recommendations, and guidance on interior design issues. Step 5. Follow up and provide resources. After the consultation, follow up with clients and provide additional resources such as design sketches, mood boards, or product recommendations. Sorry, the remaining video will play after this break. These are all the places you can find me. Apart from YouTube videos, I share trendy curated content on Tumblr. You will find all the URLs in the description. Let's now continue. 4. create and sell interior design software or apps. Step 1. Identify a gap in the market. Research the market to identify areas where interior designers could benefit from specialized software or mobile apps. It could be tools for space planning, 3D rendering, mood board creation, or project management. Step 2. Develop the software or app. Hire a software developer or development team to create the software or app. Ensure it's user-friendly, efficient, and provides value to interior designers. Step 3. Marketing and promotion. Promote your software or app through targeted online marketing campaigns, social media, and email newsletters. Offer free trials or demos to attract users. Step 4. Provide customer support. Offer responsive customer support to assist users with any questions, technical issues, or troubleshooting. 5. Write and publish interior design books. Step 1. Choose a book topic. Determine the specific interior design topic you want to write a book about, such as residential design, sustainable interiors, or DIY home decor. Step 2. Write and edit your book. Write a comprehensive and well-researched interior design book. Edit the manuscript for clarity, grammar, and coherence. Consider hiring a professional editor if needed. Step 3. Find a publisher or self-publish. Decide whether you want to seek a traditional publisher or self-publish your book. Self-publishing can be done through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or IngramSpark. Step 4. Set pricing and distribution. Determine the price of your book and distribution channels. Make your book available for sale on e-commerce platforms, bookstores, and your own website. Step 5. Market your book. Promote your interior design book through social media, author website, book readings, and participation in relevant online events and forums. Encourage reviews and testimonials from readers. In the last video, we discussed 5 ideas to earn from fashion designing. Here's the video. Also, you can boost your business using these business growth tools. Lastly, tell me your prominent skill or profession. If it's highly voted, I shall tell income ideas using it.